Hello everyone, welcome to part 30 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. And in this video, we are going to start working on the profile page of the user. In the last video, we have seen that we able to generate the username for the user, and we able to update our tables with the username. You can see user table, user underscore details table, and user underscore photos table. All are having now username. Okay, so in this video we will work on view profile, but first one thing we need to do here, actually in last video we have listed all the three tables. We make empty all the three tables, so our admin also removed because of that. Okay, so we need to make admin one column, and we can make this user as admin, because means otherwise we can't able to log in into the admin panel because there is no user list. So we can make this user as admin, so that we can able to log in into the admin panel, because if we don't have any user, then we can't able to log in because we don't have any admin user. So we can make this user as admin, and we can log in with this username and password. Okay, you can also do from your end, like amit1000@yahoo.com. Okay, or I can 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, login. See, this user has become admin. Now I can able to log in into the admin panel. Okay, so you can also do this thing, or you can also generate a new user with admin, some like admin@admin.com, some kind of email, that kind of email, or we can simply make it as admin, or we can do one more thing. I'm going to convert it to admin. Simply I can update the user to admin. I will update all these three columns here, like admin. Okay, so here also I will use like admin at the rate of admin.com. Okay, I don't know okay that admin.com is used or not, but we can make it like admin at the rate of admin.com, password 1256, remember document, everything is fine. Okay, and I can use this admin username for in other tables as well. Okay, so you can also update the username in other table as well, though these tables are not required at all, but no issue, we can update there. Okay, now we can log in from admin at the rate of admin.com 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. Okay, so we can log in with this username and password. Okay, now we can able to log in, that is fine. And here this user must not come at front end, because then we need to add the condition here that that user must not be the admin. Okay, because we can't show the admin user here. Okay, so we are going to add one condition for our home page index controller. Here we will add one condition that the user must not be admins. For that we can edit like this one, can open user table, and we'll see here that admin column must not equal to 1. Okay, we can do it like this, like admin must not equal to 1. Okay, like this. Okay, now this user I think will be not be shown here. Okay, that is fine now. Okay, now we are going to register with some other users. Okay, once again I'm going to register with the email ID like amit1000, like I have done earlier on. Okay, I'm going to register with this email ID. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, with the same name, policy, register now. Okay, now I'm going to reach at step 2. Now I will add here date of birth, okay, and date of birth you can add, okay, whatever you want, okay. So you can add date of birth, male, you can find like this, okay. uh, Married, anything you can add, okay. Complexion, city, okay, fine. Here you can add English, okay, and here computer related, any two options you can add, on any option you can add. Education, right, and here occupation, any IT related or something you can add, any option, okay, whatever you want you can add here. Options here, okay. Salary, you can add any salary, okay. I am uh, a cool guy from India, okay. I am looking to make good friends all over the world, okay. Kind of description you will add, and after clicking you need to click on submit, okay. So I am going to enable the profile from here only, okay. It will save over time, okay. You can see now another ID has come, and I am going to enable the status here, okay. And you can also see in users column that here the admin status is 0, that is fine. And now we can add the photo of the user, okay. I can add my photo here, my photo section, okay. Just simply I'm going to add my photo here, submit, okay. One photo I'm going to add right now, and this photo we need to enable from admin as well. We are going to enable from database, okay. We are not using the means add panel right now, okay. Now the photo will also come here. You can see the photo has also come, and now I'm going to home page, okay. See, now this user has appeared, okay. So age is not looking fine, that issue we will also check out that issue why it is coming 0. But here we are going to see the details here, and that details, uh, yeah, DOB is coming here, that is fine. And we need to see the DOB is the date, that is also fine, okay. But age is not coming in, that we will see later on, not an issue. But the thing is, we want to show the detail page as well, okay. So we want to work on detail page this time. There are few issues that in next video I'm going to work on. I'm going to mark here because then I will forget. It is not coming. These are the issues we are facing in our dating website. Issues in dating website, okay. These issues we need to resolve, okay. And if it is not coming, I don't know why it stopped coming. And second issue is our captcha issues, that sorry, that filter kind of issue, that yeah, captcha, I think captcha is not coming in register. I think we have disabled that register here. Earlier on, that Google reCAPTCHA is coming, that is also our issue when we have updated that to Laravel 5.7. See this one, CAPTCHA, Google CAPTCHA stopped working, okay. Google CAPTCHA is not working, okay. These are the issues I am going to resolve in next video. But right now we will start working on the profile page of the user, and you can see that we have already displayed here the latest profile, and I'm going to see the means profile page, okay. So first of all, we need to create the route for this one, for the profile page. And route we can create anywhere that you want, okay. You can add here as well, okay. Here we will add get route for this one, okay. Let's add it, okay. So route get, and we are going to make it like profile and after profile we are going to add like username. Okay, username can be any username. Okay, so we will add it like this. Okay, here username will come. After that we are going to create one more function in our user controller file. Okay, that will be called as view profile. Okay, so this is the function that we will add. Okay, now in user controller file you can see that this is the function we are going to add. We are going to add then I can just close all the chunks so that it will be easier for us to add a view users. Okay, I'm going to add here. Okay, so let's add it, public function and view profile, and here we are sending username, so we can add exactly like this username. Okay, so we need to find the user details from this username. Okay, in this function we can find the user details directly. Okay, like this from the user table, and we will add the function that we have added, that we have earlier on used as well. In model, we have defined two functions, details and photos of the user. Details for means details we have specified for getting the details from the user details table, and photo we have specified for getting the user photos means from user photos table. Okay, so both these we are going to we have added the relation earlier on, in the beginning of our project, and now we can use these relation here as well. Okay, then we can simply do like this. We have done many times, and you just need to repeat those steps. Okay, so for photos, you just need to add it like this, and where we will use username. Here, like username. Now it's fine, and here I'm going to use first. Okay, so now it's added. Now we are going to check once that user detail is coming fine or not. We can debug it like this. Okay, user details, and here I'm going to check whether user detail is coming fine or not. Okay, so let's check it, and let's check user detail is coming fine. Not okay. We can run that page that we have just created, profile, and profile page we will show the username. See, the all details are coming, photos are coming, everything is coming, all the details are coming here. Okay, so that is fine, perfect. Okay, we can disable, and we can return now data to return view. We can return to our profile page. We will create this profile page in our next step, and we are going to send uh, this user detail here. Okay, so let's send it like this. Okay, so now we are going to create profile blade file. Okay, so for creating a profile blade file, we will create the file in our resources, views, users. Here we are going to create profile.blade.php file, profile.blade.php file. Okay, like this. Okay, and we can open this file here, profile.blade. Okay, and we can copy the content from register blade file, because the same content we are going to use, but only the portion uh, means some portion, this right content we are going to update. Okay, yeah, this one I'm going to remove, and main thing is we will copy that front design model. Okay, and that right part we can copy from our project, from our template, love story template that we have used. Dating template, you can open your dating template as well, and here you can see about us HTML. From this HTML we can get that right container. Okay, so this part we are going to copy and we are going to update this part. Okay, so this left and this right container, I am going to copy this right container. Okay, and we'll place it there. Okay, so let's place it here. Okay, now I'm going to see what it will be appear. See here. Yeah, now it is appearing here. Okay, so this page, so we are going to update some of the data here right now, like name and image we are going to update. Okay, here you can see we are using this user details. From this user detail we can easily fetch the name. Okay, so I'm going to replace this company information with the name of the user. Okay, so you can simply uh, do it like this. Okay, here I add double, I can move. Okay, now check here. See the company information is updated to Amit Gupta profile because we have opened the Amit Gupta profile, so it has been updated here. And here we can show the image as well in the same way like we have shown at the home page. And you can see in the home page file you can open and check. Okay, the home page file, and here we have displayed, and we can display in the same way like we are displaying there. Okay, like this is the user photo. We can copy this for each loop because that is benefit for us. Okay, so I'm going to do here and to do it like this. We will update this user as our means object name is user details, so we can update with user details as well. Okay, so here we can update our image in the same way like we have shown there in our index blade file. In the same way we will show in our profile blade file, and we are going to update this source. Okay, so let's see that it will come or not. Okay, now you can check whether it will come or not, and see the image is now coming fine. Okay, that is looking perfect. Okay, so we able to fetch the image as well, and now that is enough for now. In the next video we are going to display more details here. Now one by one we are going to display all the details, but we will also work on these two points, that it is not coming right now, and Google Captcha is also not working. I am going to search at my end that why these two things are not working, and Google Captcha is not working when we have updated Laravel 5.6 to Laravel 5.7. And forget to update Composer. Don't forget to run Composer update command once, and you need to update your composer.json file. Okay, in the same way like it was there in Laravel 5.6, you can update this required with all the means whatever is there. Okay, you can update here and run composer update command. Rest I'm going to see at my end that why these two things are not working. We are going to resolve these two things, and we'll continue updating all these things here. We are continue displaying all the data here one by one. We are going to display all the data. Okay, so that is fine for now, and in next video we will continue working on it. Okay, then have a nice time. Bye bye.